Hi, I am Sunil Kumar. I am having 15 plus years of experience in the CAD and MEP industry. Today we are going to discuss about MEP engineering, also known as Building Services Engineering. MEP stands for Mechanical, Electrical and Plumbing Systems, which are used inside the building and which plays a crucial role in the function of the building. It mainly focuses on the functional and comfortable details of the building. And when you look into details of each item under the mechanical systems, we can find that it provides human comfort air inside the building, and it's also termed as HVAC systems. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems, which look after the comfortable air or thermal comfort and conditioned air inside the building. Now when you go to the electrical systems, it refers to the design of electrical power distribution inside the building as well as electrical lighting requirements inside the building as per the function of the building. And when you go to the next item, the plumbing systems, that's also one of the crucial systems in any building. The water supply network inside the building provides the potable water requirements inside the building. In order to meet the drainage requirement, we have to design the drainage system inside the building, and also any other gas systems or any kind of plumbing related systems all comes under the plumbing system design. And we have got other systems also. When you refer to the other systems, we can find fire protection system, then fire alarm system, communication network. All these comes under building services altogether. So regarding the design process of MEP systems, we all know that without software nothing is happening in any design process. Likewise, we have got a certain set of software for MEP design also. In early stages, always designers were used AutoCAD software for creating MEP drawings, and later with AutoCAD MEP software, 3D based design under AutoCAD platform itself is possible. Later came with the BIM technology. With that, the design process has become more easy and more communicative and more collaborative. And nowadays, the industry is following BIM based design process with the main software as Revit and also sometimes called as Revit MEP. Along with that, for calculating the building energy, we have got the software like Insight, that's also from Autodesk, and for energy analysis connected to HVAC, HAP is the main software using in the industry. Along with under the BIM process, we have got some other software like Navisworks also, which fulfills the BIM process to complete any MEP design as per the industry requirements. Huge job opportunities available for skilled people, those who have the knowledge in BIM technology as well as other softwares used in the BIM technology. The main job role goes to HVAC designer and plumbing system designer and also a BIM modeler, BIM engineer, BIM coordinator. All these job roles are highly paid nowadays. The MEP engineers requirement will grow in coming years as the infrastructure and building industry is growing faster to meet the requirement in globally. So it's a very good option for mechanical engineers and electrical engineers, since MEP engineering is closely connected to mechanical and electrical engineering. So you can also think about a very good career option by choosing MEP engineering.